Well, hello, shell buddies. Welcome back to the channel. Oh my shellness. Okay, so yesterday we tried to go to St. Armand's and Lido, and you couldn't get out there because the bridge was closed. And the bridge, I believe, to Anna Maria is still closed, which makes Longboat, Lido, and Anna Maria Islands inaccessible right now for checking things out. But the barrier islands up in Pinellas County were opened, and all the bridges were opened there. So today we went and did some recon up there and took a look at things. Now, there's not a lot of branches, there's not a lot of debris. It wasn't a wind event really to speak of. But the storm surge was astronomical. So, we stopped up at Sunset Beach where I had originally wanted to have the Blue Moon Shell Day. And we found an astonishing amount of stuff there. I can't even begin. Here's the problem. The parking lots for all of those areas for Sunset Beach and Treasure Island are under about 2.5 feet of sand. The roads are full of sand. The side streets literally just got the water off them like last night, this morning. So stuff was still wet. The dune that had made this kind of like sharp eroded face has been eroded back this way, and that top of that dune is in the parking lot. So while I would love to have us all meet there, it was astonishing. There's sea urchins everywhere, sand dollars everywhere, fighting conchs, pen shells everywhere, hinged egg cockles, hinged prickly cockles, hinged arcs, hinged paper cockles. I found hinged paper cockles and hinged smooth duck clams today. Insane. But there's no place to park. There's like 2 handicap spots on the street in front of where the bathroom pavilion thing is. And the rest of that is all closed, and it says you'll be towed if you park there. So, while I would love for us to be able to go there, we're going to have to make it somewhere else instead. And that somewhere is going to be Pass a Grill, because we went there too, and I can't even... Yeah, I can. I have one thing to compare it to. It was almost as good as February's mass beaching event. I'm talking piles and piles and piles of shells on the beach, in the water, just a staggering amount. There has been some damage to Pass a Grill as well. Some of those roads were underwater also. And down at the end of the peninsula, if you've been down there before, you know where Islands End Resort is, the place with the little manatee holding the mailbox. So their dock that was back there, the pier that we used to walk under to go around the point, is mangled, and a big chunk of it at the shoreline is missing. The water definitely overtopped their seawall over there. There were that was about 1.5 to 2 feet of sand that was in the road that came over the seawall from the bayside and washed into the street, and they had actually moved it with a front loader. So the little area where you'd go to the dog beach, and there used to be a little set of steps there. I have no idea where those steps have ended up now, but there's a mountain of sand over there. It's got all kinds of shells in it. The beach, all kinds of shells on it. So since we can't park at Sunset Beach, Pass a Grill it is. I'll see you there at sunrise on Saturday morning.